Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Higgsfield AI and Dzine AI. Higgsfield AI is a creative platform primarily focused on AI-generated videos, cinematic effects, and visual content. It allows users to create short videos, animations, and social media clips quickly using text prompts or images, without needing advanced editing skills. The platform supports multiple AI models for video and image generation and uses a credit-based system where each creation consumes credit from your monthly plan. It's popular among creators who want cinematic visuals, marketing content, or eye-catching graphics efficiently. Higgsfield offers several subscription plans. The basic plan costs $9, the Pro plan costs $23, the Ultimate plan costs $39, and the Creator plan costs $199. Higher plans provide more credits, faster rendering, and access to advanced AI models for higher quality creations. On the other hand, Dzine AI is an AI design platform built for creating graphics, layouts, and visual assets rather than videos. It helps users generate images, mockups, website graphics, and branding materials easily, making it especially useful for beginners or non-designers. Dzine focuses on fast, efficient visual design and provides tools for consistent output across multiple projects. Dzine AI also offers tiered pricing. The beginner plan costs $8.99 per month. The creator plan costs $24.99 per month. The master plan costs $59.99 per month. And the master plan costs $149.99 per month. Yearly subscriptions are available to reduce overall costs and provide long-term value. Overall, both platforms are strong in 2026 but cater to different creative needs. Higgsfield AI is ideal if your focus is on AI video creation, cinematic effects, and social media content. Dzine AI is better suited for design-oriented tasks like graphics, layouts, and branding. If you want a full video-centric creative studio, go for Higgsfield AI. If your goal is fast, versatile visual design, Dzine AI is a more practical choice. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.